Welcome back, YouTube subscribers and viewers. Today, our artifact is in the kitchen rations building here in the Collins family owners compound area. Now, the one that we have here in the structure is reproduction. We built it here at our site a number of years ago. This is an example of something that would have been here within this building. This building was used for drying herbs, also for storage of food that would have been used by the cooks in the kitchen over here. So the types of herbs that we believe they grew here in the owner's compound area would have been rosemary, basil, mint, bay leaves, as you can see here drying on the rack itself as well. And the gardeners here within the owner's compound area that we know about were three enslaved men, Peter King and then Fred and Hampton Littlejohn. So most likely they were the ones taking care of the plants and getting them ready to be dried here in the kitchen rations building. So that's a little bit about the herbs here, the herb drying rack and the structure itself. We hope you come out here for a guided tour and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We would love to get more subscribers. Thanks so much for tuning in and we hope to see you next time.